Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is about this Renault Master I'm sat in today, the big van. That's a 2021 year, and it had a very basic singled-in radio in it, fitted as standard, which I can't see here at the moment, but I'll show you that before I close this video. I'll show you what it had as standard. Anyway, we have installed a KENWOOD 9-inch floating style screen to give the customer the biggest screen possible. Now, this screen is different because it actually allows you to swivel left and right. So, for example, I can swivel it like that, and then I can swivel like that. It's obviously far easier and better to do with two hands because you can get the exact angle you require. So one hand's a little bit tricky, but I'm holding the camera with my other hand. But yeah, that means the screen can go further to the right, meaning, well, glare won't be a problem. And it's just nice to have the screen more biased to the driver, because if you're driving the car, chances are you want the best image for sat-nav. So that's quite a nice little touch. This is a DMX-920DS, I think the exact model number is called. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, which is now just connected next to me, wireless Android Auto, DAB radio, which we're on DAB right now. So if I push the home button, give you a little overview of the options. You've got your Android Auto icon there, you've got your DAB icon there, and you've got your settings icon there to, you know, play around with camera settings, audio settings, display and all that. So it's very easy to use. It's got a HD 720p screen and it's capacitive, so it's super responsive. So if we go into CarPlay, give you a quick demonstration of Apple CarPlay. This is obviously the split screen mode. We can push the option on the bottom left, and then now the customer has got access to Apple Maps, Waze navigation, Google Maps if you've got that, as well as music streaming apps like Spotify, Tidal, YouTube Music, etc. So it's very easy to use. It is a HD screen, so Apple CarPlay images is actually very crystal clear, sharp. Hard to pick it up on a camera, but you should be able to see that. It's very good resolution. If you had CarPlay before, you'll know you can change all the appearance, so you can go to always dark, or you can have it go dark when you turn your lights on at night. You can change the wallpaper, so you can go really basic black and just have it very like OEM sort of style. The screen will tilt forward and back as well, just again hard to do it with one hand, but you can go left and right and front and back. Now this Renault Master has got steering wheel controls. They all still work just as you'd expect, so we've hooked those back up. We've also added a reverse camera to this as well, so if I put my clutch in and put it in reverse, the reverse camera is going to automatically come up behind just like so. You can have guidelines on the screen produced by the KENWOOD, which you can adjust manually and find out exactly where you want them, but we've turned them off for this demonstration. Take it out of reverse and the image comes back as normal. But yeah, it's a real nice screen. DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, pretty much all you'd ever need, and obviously control of factory steering wheel controls on this Renault Master. Extremely simple to use. Not one, not two, but 3-year warranty as well on the unit as well, so peace of mind, for example. That is it. That's a Renault Master 2021. That's a KENWOOD installed. This is Connor. We'll see you soon. Take it easy. Goodbye.